Hello, I'm London Swan. The Maurer School of Law hosted a panel discussion today regarding the implications of an upcoming court case. WTIU's Shamika Neely reports.
Law professors gathered Monday to discuss a recent Supreme Court decision to hear Fisher versus the University of Texas, which is the next major affirmative action case. The argument showed institutions like UT accept top-tier students into schools without considering race. Latino IU law student Ezekiel Zeke Romero says that some may say the case is an advantage for African American and Latino students to get a foot in the door.
We have to remember that, African Americans and Hispanics historically have been discriminated in this country, and this is just one way to rectify some of the past discriminatory effects that has happened within the Latino and African American community.
Law experts say that the issue is whether race should be a factor in the admissions process. IU law professor Kevin Brown says this could have an impact on other institutions that do still use the affirmative action model.
So what I hope will happen is that the court limits its opinion to just striking down the admissions plan at the University of Texas, but does not deliver an opinion that would impact affirmative action nationwide.
Brown says the case will likely be argued in court later this fall, and the verdict decision made in June of 2013. For WTIU News, I'm Shamika Neely.
Beginning Friday and lasting through St. Patrick's Day weekend, more than 250 state and local law enforcement agencies plan to begin scouring the state's roads looking for drunk drivers. Police will attempt to identify drunk drivers by targeting those who are aggressive, not wearing seatbelts, or are improperly changing lanes. In addition to working overtime to provide the extra manpower, officers plan to set up a sobriety checkpoint somewhere in Monroe County. Now here's a quick check of the weather. Tomorrow, partly cloudy, highs in the mid-50s. Tomorrow night, mostly cloudy with a near 100% chance of rain showers and isolated thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 50s. Now here's a look at the 5-day forecast. Wednesday, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of thunderstorms. For WTIU, I'm London Swan.